Lift-off sequence engaged.
All right, this is it. We're done.
That's the whole ride.
Yep. Whee! That's it. Whee! We go slow. Oh yeah. Someone didn't like it back there. Woo!
I know some kid that was scared to ride the Hurricane, and I was trying to tell him, I'm like,
Oh my
no,
gosh.
Hurricane's nothing.
At least 70, I would say. That was too quick.
Well, that's cool. Nice detail, ArieForce One.
It's hauling fast. It's warmed up. Oh yeah. That was that one. That's the two.